In this video, I'll be discussing and guiding you guys on how to connect Google Sheets to send a text message, okay? And well, the message that I'll be sending is to Discord. It could be Gmail or anything for that matter. It could be Trello as well, or perhaps any other SMS text message site or app that works, okay? So here are my example scenario, okay? Because there's a lot of things you can, connect and send. So for the sake of this video, I'll be using this scenario, okay? Where I have an app or some kind of form that people fill in, and well, it's automatically connected to Google Sheets, and information is stored here. Okay, so we have someone who registers for an event, and they give their email, and when have they registered on, all the information is stored here. Okay, and what I want to happen is I want the connection as in that, so a short message is sent to me on Discord that tells me the name of the person, when they have registered, what even for they have registered, and their email. Okay, in a short message, because I don't want to continuously go onto Google Sheets and check if there has been a new event registered or not. I want an instant notification, which could be done since Discord is an app that sends you a notification when someone messages you, right? So, well, how will I be connecting these? I'll be connecting these with a third-party app called make.com, okay? And so to use it, just go search on the browser, make.com, create an account, and you'll be here, okay? Once you're here, I want you to click on create a new scenario, okay? And then you'll be redirected to a page or your workspace with a big plus button in the middle, okay? Now, what do we want to do? So first of all, we're going to click on Google Sheets, right? Because that's what we're connecting. So I'm going to click on Google Sheets. And now what do you want Google Sheets to do? I want Google Sheets to watch the rows here. I want it to watch the rows. If there's a new row, I want it to analyze that and then use make.com to send a message or notification in short, okay? So how do I do this? I'm just gonna click on watch new row, and now I just that's it. That's it for this model. But now I do have to do some other stuff like connect my Google Sheet to make.com. And how do I do that? Just click on add, and then you sign in with Google with your account, and you'll be done with connections, okay? The next thing you want to do is you want to select your Google Sheet. I have it named test1, so I'm going to go back here. I'm going to click here to choose my file, right? I'm going to click on test1. There we go. And the sheet name is just sheet1, okay? Now everything can be remained as default. I'm just going to click save and just click on all and save again, right? Now that's our Google Sheet module fully completed, okay? Now I'm going to click on the plus sign because I do want to connect my Google Sheets to Discord, right? A place where I want the notification to come, to text it, right? So I'm going to search it up like that. Now, what do I want Discord to do? I want Discord to send me a message. Alright, so I'm going to click on this option, send a message. Right? So we have this pop-up. And again, you will click add and you'll click save. And then you'll have this pop-up here, okay? Which you'll use to make a connection with your Discord account, okay? Once I already have a connection, so I'm just gonna X out of here. Once you do have that connection though, let me X. So anyway, so once you do have that connection, the next thing is you want to choose a method. So where do you want the message to come? Do you want it to come in a private DM, perhaps in a thread, or perhaps in a channel in your server? Well, just for the sake of the video, I'm just gonna make it a private DM. So I want make.com to send me a private message on my account about that. So I get the notification, right? Because I want the notification. So I'm gonna click send a DM to a guild member, okay? Click on that. Now they want my username, okay? So I'm just gonna go back to Discord. I'm gonna click on this and just copy this username, okay? Copy that, go back, and just paste it here, like that. No, here, just click on search for guild members and paste it right here, okay? Just keep everything default and just click OK then. There we go. It automatically translates that to the user ID and automatically you're connected now, okay? It'll send you the message to your account, okay? Now, what is the message, the format of the message? I already have a pre-made format message. I'm just gonna paste it here like this. Looks pretty nice and decent, right? So I have these emojis to make it more interactive and all. Now, what and how will it fetch this information from the Google Sheets? Now, that's what this is about, okay? So if you see this pop-up right here with all this information, it's basically fetching make.com is basically going to fetch this information from the Google Sheets. So in the names, after the names, I'm just going to click on name, meaning it'll be a format so that after the name, it'll just fetch that name from that row from Google Sheets. So for email, it'll fetch the email from Google Sheets from that row. For events, it'll fetch the event name from that Google row in the Google Sheets, and same for the date register on. Okay, that pretty much sums it all, and that should all be for the configuration in Discord. Right, I'm just gonna save that as well, and that should be it. We are completed with our setup. Okay, so I'm just gonna click on save real quick, and then I'm going to run the scenario. Okay. Now you might be wondering, what's the use of doing it manually? But don't worry, there is this option called run every 15 minutes. Okay. Obviously, if you want at lower times, if you wanted to like run it like every minute or something, you'll have to get the premium version of make.com, which could lower it significantly to around 1 minute. Also, if you don't want it to be 15 minutes and if you want it perhaps even longer, you could just change it to like 30 or 60, 50, or you could even change it to days, and weeks, and months, okay, and so on. I'm just gonna keep it at default. Rather, I'm not even gonna run it because I'll be just doing it manually run once, okay? So once I'm gonna run this, I expect to get a DM from the bot make.com on Discord, and it'll provide me with this information like this, okay? I'm just gonna click on one once, and there you go. It's a success. So if I go here, I should have received a DM. And there we go. I've received two messages about. First one was for this first person, and the second one was for the second person, right? Same like that. Now let's try another one, okay? So now I'm gonna add a new row, and when I add this new row, it will only send me for the new row, and it won't send me for this. This is what we said, right? Watch for new rows. So I could just write in any name and any random email, right? And let's say anything like cleaning. And a random date doesn't really matter because it's just a test anyways. Okay, so with that done, make sure you click somewhere else, because if you're clicking on where you edited, it will not provide the information in the message because it still thinks you're editing. So just make sure to click somewhere else, okay? Not on the information. So I'm just going to go back to make.com. I'm going to click once more, and I expect the message to be sent to me, okay? Go back. There we go. The new message has been sent to us. And obviously, like I said before, it's not done manually. If you just enable this option, it automatically checks every 15 minutes on the Google Sheet to see if any new rows have been added, and then automatically sends a message if they have been, okay? So anyways, guys, that's how we have connected Google Sheet to send a message to any app that you would like. It doesn't have to be Discord. It could have been any other app that you knew. Okay, could have been Trello or anything else. So, anyways, that's it for the video. I hope it helped you guys out, and I'll be seeing you guys next time. Peace out.